what I have to tell the young ladies, generally the youth outside there, like, is with determination.
Yeah.
You can go a long way.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I go by the name Dennis Chukwuka, aka ONYENJEM, one of Africa, and you guys are highly welcome to my YouTube channel, ONYENJEM TV. So right now, I'm in Akure, so I'm with my friends. We just tour around Africa, you know. And right now, we are in this great engineering workshop, or should I say mechanic workshop. So what's the name of this mechanic workshop?
Auto Pro Technical Venture.
So now, do you know the sweetest part of this? My friend and I were just fixing our car, and suddenly we stumbled into this beautiful lady. Like, I've never seen a female mechanic before. So guys, why I'm doing this video is to show to the world out there, especially the young ladies of this generation, that there are still skills that you guys can practice. The way I'm saying, ladies, going around following different men, going into prostitution, doing this, doing that, and there are a lot of work to do. Hairdressing job is there, mechanic job is there, and many of them. So me saying I'm doing mechanic, I'm kind of surprised. So she's going to be telling us her name. So what's her name?
My name is Oluwaseun Temiola.
Oluwaseun, like, what gave you this inspiration to go into these skills?
Okay, thank you. Firstly, I like mechanical generally,
yeah,
from childhood. And being a person, my father is a generator mechanic.
Yeah.
So I've been with him right from childhood, learning a mechanic, like repairing generator.
Okay.
From childhood.
Okay.
So from there, I have the inspiration, like, wow, I want to do more than what my father is doing, like to be more civilized than what my father is doing.
Okay, daddy was a mechanic.
Yes, generator mechanic.
Generator mechanic.
Yes.
Wow. Our father was, and is he up to now?
He's
a generator mechanic, but she chose not to do generator mechanic and went straight to motor mechanic. Like, guys, that is amazing, like so amazing. So now, what year did you venture into this mechanical engineer?
Like the year I started.
Yeah, the year.
I'll say I started this work 5 years before, 5
Whoa.
years after I was born. Like
5 years after you were
born. I've been going to workshop right from my childhood.
Like 5 years. What year? 19 or 2000?
Like 2000.
She was birthed today. Like 5 years. She started going to workshop. That is, should I call that a calling, or should I call that a skills, or a talent? Man, she already knows what she wants. Now I want to ask you this question: do you went to university?
Yes.
What school?
Like Edo State Polytechnic. I finished my ND 2003. So we're looking for that to go for my HND.
Okay, okay, you finished your ND in 2003. 2023. Then you were looking for that to go to for your HND.
Yes.
Now, guys, I know many graduates out there that have finished BLC, that has finished masters, PhD, and they don't have any job. At the end of the day, you start seeing them roaming around the streets. They are roaming around the streets of Lagos, of Nigeria, of Abuja, of Port Harcourt, looking for men to devour. And now, if you ask them one question, they will tell you, we don't have any job at all. This one, that one, this, that one. But now, somebody that just finished OND, pushing a career. What course you study in OND?
Mechanical engineering. Mechanical
engineering, and still she's still doing her job. So why I'm doing this video is just to inspire people out there. Don't tell me that there is no skills or there is nothing out there to do. Don't tell me that. There's no excuse for failure. Don't tell me that. So if you're a lady, you're watching this video, I will strongly advise you to go into skills. Myself, I'm also a graduate, but today I'm into tour guiding, content creating, travel professional and practitioner, and the rest. So if she can do that, I was seeing her doing some jobs, and I was like, oh my god. I was like, oh my god, is this lady fixing this car? This car, I have to beg her to grant her interview just to show the world that yes, if she can do it at this age, you too can do so. She's small and but mighty. So guys, do you have anything to tell my viewers out there, the young ladies out there?
All right. Thank you, sir, for the opportunity. And what I have to tell the young ladies, generally the youth outside there, like, is with determination,
Yeah.
can go a long way. We shouldn't limit ourselves to a stage like, oh, I can't do this. There's nothing we cannot do. As a youth, we can do all things. It's just a matter of determination. There's this saying among the youth that, oh, I don't have a handwork because I don't see someone to help me. I don't have anybody to help me. I came here as an IT student and here I am being retained to start to work here as a staff. So it's just a matter of determination. When you are determined, you go for whatever you want. Thank you.
All right, so guys, I'm going to leave you at this junction to think, to wonder, and to reason if what you are doing right now is the best option for you. See you on my next edition. I say, my humble boy, Dennis Chukwebuka Okeke, aka ONYENJEM, one of Africa. Love you guys.